Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to remove green screen from video as well as image in Davinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here I'm having a sample video in my timeline, and apart from that I'm having here a video as well as an image. So first thing, drag and drop the green screen video into your timeline. So as you can see here, this is my normal video and I'm having like a full green screen video with leaves like this. And to the top you are having this effects option, right? Select it and just search for 3D. You'll be having this 3D key here. Just going to drag this and drop it onto your green screen video. After that you'll be having this effects symbol. Now just come to media pool, and here you'll be having the edit option. Click edit and you'll have an interface like this. Now just make sure that you're selecting the green screen video, and here you'll be having a drop down. Click here and select open FX overlay. Click that and you're just going to draw a line on the video somewhat like this. And now you can see, if I play the video, the green screen in the background is not visible, and here you're having some imperfections. So we're having some outline of green. So to completely remove that, what you can do is, to the top you're having this effects. Click here and go to open FX. Here we are having the despill option. Make sure that you're just increasing it. So now you just saw that, right? I'm not having here any green color outlines. It's perfectly removed from my video. So this is basically how you do it for videos. And for image it's going to be the exact same thing. I'll just go and drag and drop my image with a green screen, go to effects, 3D key here, drag and drop it onto my image, then go to edit, and here I'll be having the open FX overlay and just draw here, and you can just increase or decrease the despill of your choice. Basically exact same steps to remove the green screen from image also. I hope you'd have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.